Hey, hello everyone. I wanted to show all how I clean my tracks on the far side of the layout because I cannot reach from over here, the other side, just out of my arm's length. So I can scoot the table out, but it's kind of a pain to do that. So what I've done is I've got two consists here, and they're pulling this Walthers Mainline Track Cleaner. Now it's just good for kind of just getting off the initial grind, but it seems to work pretty good. But for a really good clean, yes, I do have to go over there and get under and on the other side of the table, push it out from the wall and use mineral spirits, or there's a no outside ID gel. You got to be very careful with that gel though. Just use it as a light film or something. But this actually works pretty good. So just thought I'd share from my Metropolis.